Welcome, loves, to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your heart chakra reading for the week. We will have 3 cards. The first will be for the heart chakra itself, and the second one will be from the Dolphin chakra, from the earth, and then the third one will be from our spirit chakra in the higher realms. So our first message out is Sacred Convergence from the Rumi Oracle. Sacred convergence indicates a coming together of souls in alignment with a greater cause. This greater cause is both personal and impersonal. There is an aspect of joining together for common purpose, although that purpose may not be immediately obvious at a level of day-to-day consciousness. That common soul purpose may be to lift each other into greater love and self-belief, to shed fear and open the heart, filling each individual soul with more holy fire for its personal, passionate purpose. This oracle comes to you with guidance that the possibility for more joyful relationships and growth of love within is in your power. You can choose each day, each moment. You make a choice. Trust yourself, your discernment, and your intuition, and choose. You do not owe anyone anything. Repeat this law of karma. Only you only owe love the chance to grow. So let that be your guiding principle now, as you release the old and trust that even if your garden of relationship becomes sparse for a while, you have been cutting back on healthy plants to allow for new life to flourish. It is only a matter of timing for the season of new life and growth to come again. And so it shall, bringing with it sacred convergence of souls on the path of love, your soul tribe, your soul family, your new tribe of those journeying upon the path of love. And a message from the Kuan Yin Oracle. To the celestial mountain, you are being asked to empower the divine, to help you, to call to the celestial mountain within your own heart, to reach out and allow the divine to assist your current life unfoldment. We live in a free will universe, and no matter how much you are loved, in fact, because you are so loved and respected, no being will intervene for you without your permission. When we call to the celestial mountain, we are remembering that we are divine in our own heart. We gain power through this remembrance, and we can help others remember too. So the more you choose to spiritually empower the divine to assist you, the stronger and more conscious your relationship with beings of light becomes, and the more you begin to realize the similarities that exist between your own divine nature and these beings. In other words, in keeping good spiritual company, you begin to realize your true nature. And our final message out from the Spirit Messages is a father's love. A father's love for his son or daughter never dies. The strength gained from such love is often unquantifiable, and that it can be tapped into at any time for whatever reason, whether your father is still here or has passed. A father's love is one of the strongest bonds any of us will ever experience. A father's love is reaching out to you in support. By selecting this card, it's signifying your need for strength and support. The love of a father or father figure offers great strength. But even if your father has passed, his influence, support, and love remains eternal. Just as important, Spirit can wrap his or their arms of love around you when you are most in need. Even if your father is still here, his love, no matter how many miles you're apart, can be felt. The beauty of a father's love is that no matter what the circumstances, his love is unwavering, compassionate, forgiving, purposeful, and full of energy and strength. Whenever you feel alone or lost, whenever you feel misguided or lacking in confidence, just stop for a moment and let the love of your father or father figure give you the comfort or guidance that you need. I'm so grateful that you are here with me through these messages. I hope that they serve your higher purpose. Please join me tomorrow. I will be sharing the throat chakra messages. Stay blessed.